The practice of using botanicals to improve health dates back thousands of years. Recently, increased demand, coupled with unsustainable harvesting practices and climate change, have placed stress on the supply chain. Because of this, botanical adulteration is becoming a growing concern, making botanical identification an increasingly essential part of quality control. Ideally, identification is performed as close to the source as possible, so resources can be efficiently allocated to the material of correct identity. There are a number of approaches for botanical identification. Traditionally, botanical identification is performed through morphological assessment and chemical analytical methods.
Morphological identification is based on differences in macroscopic and microscopic features of plant materials. However, it requires a well-trained botanist, and its application to powdered botanical materials is limited. Chemical analytical methods are widely used in pharmacopoeias and laboratories, but are not ideal for field testing due to the size of instruments and environment requirements.
Recently, genomic methods have emerged as an alternative technique for botanical species identification due to the high fidelity and specificity of genomic information in plant materials. With molecular diagnostic tools now available in the form of portable devices, this approach becomes possible for field application. The goal of this protocol is to introduce a method for botanical identification in situations where access to the laboratory equipment and expertise is limited, such as a farm supplying the botanical material using